so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because we're opening up one of my all-time favorite boxes, Bombay and Cedar, and this is their lifestyle subscription. How cute is the box? I recently opened up their brand new beauty subscription, so if you guys have not yet checked that out, it's an all cruelty-free, clean beauty box, and I really enjoyed it. It was their first one ever, so I will link that in the eye and down below if you want to see that. I will also link down below the link for Bombay and Cedar. I also have a code for Bombay and Cedar that will save you 10% off your first box if you are interested. They offer two different subscription plans, the mini box and the premium box. We will be opening up the premium box today. I will list all the pricing information and all of that down below. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. It says March 2020, the lifestyle box, and the theme this month is reflection. So inside here, there's a little note from the editors. It's about protecting your peace, taking the day off. We're all kind of doing that now. I'm sure this was already made before everything has happened, but it says it's okay to cancel plans, it's okay to speak up, make some noise, it's okay to change your mind, it's okay to say no. There are so many distractions and interruptions in the world that can affect how we may feel about ourselves. A big part of self-love and self-care is protecting your peace, so don't be reluctant to put yourself first. It's always the perfect time to find your inner peace and appreciate life more profoundly. Appreciate life more profoundly. So that's nice. And on the next page, it will list all of the items that come inside the boxes. And I really like this because it'll separate the items from the mini box and the premium box. So a lot of the items come in both, but some only come in the mini or only come in the premium. And it looks like for the premium, the box value, it varies depending on certain variation items, and the value is $166.47 to $183.47, and the mini box value ranges from $80.49 to $97.49. So you do get great value here. And then on the other pages, it's kind of like a mini magazine. It'll talk about items inside and all of that. So great. I think I touched on what this box is. If you don't know, it is a lifestyle subscription, but it is all like cruelty-free products. It's all about wellness, and every month you also get some essential oils. And something great about this company is that they are part of 1% for the planet, so that means they do donate a portion of their proceeds. But yeah, let's get started. Everything's wrapped up in some tissue paper. Just gonna grab first thing I see here. This is Shirley Chicago flight compression socks, one size. So many of us probably won't be flying for a while, but compression socks can still come in handy since we're going to be not moving too much at home. Well, hopefully we should be doing some home exercise. Florida officially is on lockdown starting tonight. I think these are cool. These are from Chicago, and I love that I got pink. My parents actually flew from Chicago recently. They're safe, but yeah, they're in Marco Island, which is like 45 minutes away from me, so I'm not sure I'll be able to see them when they're here, but hopefully soon. But here are what the compression socks look like. I love that I got pink. I'll totally wear these. Sometimes I feel like I have poor circulation in my legs, so these are very neat and super cute too, and they feel really nice. So let's learn a little bit more about these. So the compression socks by This Way or Shirley, there's two different brands. They came in all of the subscription boxes, so both premium and mini. And the prices range from $12 to $29, and it says beneficial when running, during your workout, skiing, or flying. These socks increase blood flow, helping sore muscles and tired legs, and they're available in several different styles. I like the ones I got. I'm such a girly girl. I love pink, but there is a photo here of one of the other styles that you could have received. So yeah, I'll definitely use them. Never have gotten compression stockings before, so I really love this box because you seriously get unique items that don't come in all of the boxes. I get a lot of subscription boxes, as you guys know. So yeah, let's move on to the next. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This is by Tech Candy. Clean Up Your Act Tech Wipey Pack. It says surfaces touching your skin should stay gunk-free. These individual fragrance-free wipies attack germs, remove oil, and banish makeup smudges on your accessories, promoting healthier skin and a healthier you. And this pack contains 20 disposable cloths, and I am so happy to have this, especially lately. I've been like cleaning and disinfecting everything like we all probably have, so this is nice. We can now clean our surfaces with these. I'm super excited about this. So let's learn about this item. So this comes in both the premium and the mini box of all of the subscriptions, and it's $7.49. It says 20 disposable cloths and a sweet little resealable carry-along pack. Degunkify your eyeglasses, tablet, laptop, monitor, and phone screen. I am going to be using these immediately. I'm super happy to get this. Next up, we've gotten something from this brand before. Oh, there's two things in here. So we have two things by Bro. So we've gotten a lotion by them before, but this is Bro Pop Your Top Craft Beer, the brew for strength and shine. So there's a thickening shampoo and a thickening conditioner for fine flat hair. I have fine flat hair, so this is great. It's made with barley protein that bodifies and caffeine that wakes up follicles. It's brewed without sulfates, parabens, synthetic scents, silicones, phthalates, or cruelty-free and vegan. It's color safe, and these are very large. These are like head size, 250 milliliters or 8.5 fluid ounces. So this company uses beer to make their products, which is really cool. It says actually beer does make everyone better looking. Malted barley has B vitamins, proteins, and minerals that nourish, repair, and protect hair, and hops, flowers is antioxidant rich essential oils that fortify and soothe the scalp. The result, strong, shiny hair. That's why we chose all malt, freshly hopped craft beers are main ingredients. So, ultra performing thickening mixology. I'm so excited to try these out because I have very thin hair, like fine hair, and very flat. My hair is not naturally wavy. I literally just used my my curling wand before this video, and probably by the end of the day my hair will be straight again. So I'm excited to try these out. So this came in the premium box only. And the duo is $21.98, and it says Thin Weak Hair Premium Craft Beer Bro's #1 ingredient is naturally brimming with B vitamins and proteins to make hair long, strong, and shiny. You need volume? This vegan alternative to keratin makes fine flat hair look fuller. Can't wait to use this. I'll have to let you know. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized I didn't get prepared to do a review of last month's products on here. I'll have to do that in another video. But next up, we have something that actually came in the beauty box, which is interesting. This is Dime 100% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I'm not going to open this quite yet. Maybe I'll include this in another video. Another giveaway. Which I just had a giveaway, and after this video, I'm going to pick a winner. So if you guys entered that BoxyCharm or video, I cannot speak today. I apologize. I haven't filmed in days and I'm like, bleh. But I had a giveaway in one of my BoxyCharm videos that just ended, so by the time this video is up, I will make sure to pick a winner, so check that out. But yeah, Dime is a brand I have not heard about until the cruelty-free beauty box by Bombay Cedar. So this comes in all of the boxes. It's $28. Concentrated hyaluronic acid instantly quenches thirsty skin upon application, boosting bounce and delivering intense hydration where it's needed most. I love hyaluronic acid, so maybe I'll go through my other bottle and use this, but it's possible I may pass it on to one of you guys. Hyaluronic acid is great for retaining moisture in your skin, like I think that just said. It works really well for me and for a lot of people. And yum, every month we get a healthy snack, and I love it. I'm always hungry when I'm filming because I film before I eat typically. This is PB Bites Cocoa Crunch, 2 units. USA made, Brazilian inspired, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, all-natural, plant-based. So it looks like these are just little PB bites, like peanut butter bites. And it looks like it only has 70 calories, so definitely a healthy, low-calorie snack. And this is $1, and this is in all of the boxes, and it says made with peanuts and toasted quinoa, makes a great and tasty source for plant-based protein. Next up, let's look at the essential oils. So Bombay Cedar actually makes the essential oils themselves, and we have it here in this drawstring bag, which you can reuse. They're always so cute. Let's see what two we got. So first one, looks like we have a blend. It's the Blissful blend, and this is made with pink grapefruit, lemon, ginger, and peppermint. And this is what it looks like. And they also include these information cards, which is really nice. They come with each of the oils, and it says Blissful is a proprietary blend of oils designed to add a zest of spice to your daily routine. Bright and lively, this oil is great for keeping spirits up. Blissful is an excellent addition for any health-conscious individual. And then it talks about caution. It says for external use only, keep out of reach of children, avoid contact with eyes. And then it talks about the ingredients. So let's take a sniff of this. This smells so good. What a great blend. I love it. And then we have patchouli. So earthy patchouli 100% essential oil. And here it talks about the benefits, precautions, and what it blends well with. I love that they do that because when you get the subscription, your essential oil collection kind of adds up, and it'll tell you what you can use in your diffuser with this for a great blend. And I always say, if you guys have pets at home or kids, always just do a little research or contact your veterinarian or pediatrician about essential oils because some can be harmful for little ones and pets. But patchouli is supposed to fight depression, boost the immune system, natural deodorant, stops fungal growth, reduces inflammation, enhances mood, and fights infections. So the Bliss Essential Oil Blend is $16 and the Patchouli Essential Oil is also $16. And next we have something in here, maybe it's jewelry or I don't know what it is. It's by Jamie. Oh no, it's not. Let's see. So here's what it is. There's a little card here. It's I love by Jamie.com water, all natural fragrance made with rose quartz, amethyst, and quartz. Rose quartz is love, amethyst balance, quartz clarity. Oh, so cool. This is like a little rollerball perfume that has stones in it. Can you guys see? They're at the very bottom. Let's see what this smells like. So this is in the premium box only and it is $24. I can't smell it yet. Let me roll down. It smells really good. I don't know how to describe it, but I like it. Let me read what it says. So this roll-on by Jamie Things I Love is $24. Wow. And it says infused with healing crystals, Jamie's water roll-on features a soft rose floral scent with an undertone of earth musk. Rose quartz promotes self-love, positive self-esteem, heals emotional body, heals heartache and loneliness, eases fear and soothes grief. The quartz clears negativity, heals and aligns the aesthetic and emotional bodies. It does smell good. Now that they say that, it does have like a rose earthy scent. Nice. Crystals are like all the rage right now. I got crystals in another subscription box. I have to learn more about them. Some of you guys did like teach me a little bit about it, so I'm definitely intrigued. I think we have one more thing in here. Ooh, it looks like this must be a clutch, or let's get this open. It feels like it's like a journal slash clutch. So this is what it looks like. And then see, yeah, it's like a journal slash clutch. There's a zipper here so you can put stuff in like your pencils or pens. And then here we have this, and can you see the print on there? It's very cute. And then on the inside is a notebook. How awesome is this? What a great idea to have like a pencil case and a notebook, and it's magnetic and the print is so freaking cute. So let's learn about this. So the Clutch Journal by Fringe Studio is in the premium box only. It says available in 2 different styles. These paperback journals are encased in a soft cover clutch with a zippered pouch flap closure. Wow, $36. You know, I lied, there is one more thing in here. So here is the last item. And this is by Tech Candy, the same brand that made those wipes, which I'm so excited about. And this is a cord keeper. So here it is up close. And this is in the premium box only. It is $4. It says wrangle your USB cord or earbuds with this cord keeper. And it shows a picture here and how you can use it. So keeps your cords from being all tangled. Oh my god, I could totally use this for so many different cords. Like when I was just doing my hair, all those are all wrapped up crazy. My phone cords too and everything. But yes, you guys, that was everything. I think this was a great month. So what was my favorite? I mean, I'm probably like the most excited about getting these wipes, which is like a low value, but like I definitely want them and need them right now. I'm excited to try out like the beer conditioner or the beer thickening conditioner shampoo. The essential oils are both great this month. This little roll-on, I can't believe it's $24, but I'm definitely excited to use it because it smells really good, and I'm just like intrigued by crystals since I've been like learning more about them lately. I think this is great. I use notebooks all the time. Hyaluronic acid is great. yeah, everything was pretty good. I think this was a great month. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Did you like this box? Again, I'm going to link Bombay Cedar down below along with that promo code to save you some money if you're interested in subscribing. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are well and safe. I'm sending positive vibes your way. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.